Hey guys, welcome back to another video of mine. Today we are doing a different kind of video. This is a how-to, and I'm doing this because I am so tired of everyone on my how to change your YouTube username. My last video like 3 or 4 years ago, I'm tired of them saying it's not working. And yes, it is a little bit outdated. It has been a long time since I recorded that, and things have changed on YouTube. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to do this on your computer. It is like the easiest thing in the world. I'm not even joking. So right now I'm on my account. That's Nikki's Got a Gun. This is my second account. I don't use it much anymore. It used to be one of my gaming channels I used to use a lot. But I mean, I don't really want to change my name on it, but I'm going to for the sake of this video, just to show you guys how to do it, how easy it is, and this is not outdated. This is going to be the newest way possible of 2018. Even past 2018, if it's like 2020, it's probably still going to work just the same. Honestly, it's the easiest thing ever. All you have to do is go onto your channel, which you see I'm at right now. This is my main channel. Well, my channel main screen. And what you want to do is go ahead and head over to Creator Studio right over here. Just click on that, and what it's going to do is it's going to give you options onto the side on the left to go ahead and go into your channel settings. So if you go over here to your dashboard kind of stuff, you want to go over to channel. It just says channel, just click on it, and it should bring up this stuff, and you just want to continue going down to advanced tabs. So you're going to click on that to advance, and then you'll get to this area of your screen, and this is all you want to worry about is account information, and then Nikki's Got a Gun change. You want to change this. If for some reason you don't see a change on the side of your name, it could be because you just made your channel, and if you just made your channel, I don't think it'll give you an option to change it just yet. Last time I knew you had to have at least 100 subscribers to be able to change your username. I could be wrong. I know they keep changing things. It used to be 300, but then they lowered it to 100, and yeah, so anyways, let's go ahead and change it. So you just click change, and it's just telling me I have a brand account. That's because I linked up my stuff with my account. Don't worry about that. I'll probably not say that. If it does, just say edit anyways. And it's gonna get you into Google. And I know a lot of people don't like the Google thing, but you're gonna have to change it off of here. So right here it says name, and I have Nikki's Got a Gun. So you can edit that to whatever you want to. I don't know what to edit it for me. Let's see. What happens if I put something like Nikki's Gone Gamer, like, you know, that one chick that I don't even know what her name is, but for instance, Nikki, I don't know. Let's see. All right, so this is what I decided to do. Nikki Got a Gun. This is what we're gonna do. I put no spaces, like there's no spaces. Before I had spaces, and I had like Nikki's Got a Gun, an S in it, but I took that out. So this is gonna be my new name. We're gonna say okay, and there you go. It says Nikki Got a Gun. And if we go ahead, and I'm just gonna close out of this one, and if we go ahead and like refresh here, right there you can see already says Nikki's Got a Gun, or Nikki Got a Gun. And if you go ahead and like sometimes you can do this, like search your name, Nikki Got a Gun, and there it is. And right now it's still saying I have Nikki's Got a Gun, so it has those spaces and stuff. Please keep this in mind. You need to wait for at least 2 days before everything updates on your channel. So just because if you search it and it doesn't come up the way you want it to, doesn't mean that it didn't change. It just means it's gonna take a minute. It doesn't go through right away, but as you see on my main channel now, it says Nikki Got a Gun, but when I searched my name, it still had my old user tag. So it will take a few days to update that tag to your name that you just changed it to. So please do not get too worried about that. It will change, I promise. Patience is a virtue. Just keep that in mind. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all it is. That's all you have to do. There's nothing really hard to do on that. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a like to let everyone know that it worked for you. Also, to help me know that it worked for you. But yeah, guys, I think that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know also what video you want me to do next on how to, because I would definitely love to help you guys on stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.